Hey guys, it's Zoe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro. So let's get started. Before we start, I just want to say there's tons of ways to make it. Well, probably not tons, but you can just download it on a website. I actually tried that. It didn't work, so I'm trying something new and I'm going to try to make it myself. So let's get started. First thing, you're going to want to go to Google. I already searched something, but you can search galaxy background. Just search something cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This is amazing. So just got oops, what did I do? Okay, so you wanna save it. Save the image. So you wanna get 2 of them, and I will tell you why in a second. I love this. Oh, but that's a video, sadly. Okay, get this one and save that. Okay, now I'm gonna go to iMovie, and if you don't have iMovie already, which you should have iMovie, but if you don't have it, then just make sure to download that app. Why isn't my phone charging? Okay, and then go to iMovie right here that I already downloaded. Okay, there you go. So you want to add those photos that you have. Aren't these so adorable? Where'd my other photo go? Let's try that again. They're not moments. Oh, there we go. Okay, so an intro is about 3 to 10 seconds, but I say 7, 4, and 5 is a good amount, because yeah. So I'm gonna try to make it both of them pretty equal, so one doesn't get more showtime than the other one. Okay, I don't want to get jealous. Why am I Miranda Sings all of a sudden? I don't know. So make sure the 2 triangles facing each other. That's the best one. So then I want to say Ken Burns enabled. Enabled. So then it'll look like this. Just like that. I mean, it's pretty good. This one could use some brightening up, so we're just gonna do that because I can. Ha! Okay, that's a pretty good shade. Okay, good enough. But you can also just choose different ones to make it perfect, but mine's not quite perfect. Okay, and then you want to go save it to your library and make it medium, because that's the best one. So now it's copied to your video library. You want to go to Pocket Video. Pocket Video is a really great app. First I thought it wasn't going to be as great as iMovie, but it's nearly better than iMovie. It has way more stuff than iMovie. The only thing that it's not quite as dependable as iMovie. So sometimes I just fall back on iMovie. I just got this app, so I literally have not used it for anything yet, but it's amazing. Okay. So I'm going to go to camera roll. Wait, not my photos. Why is this in the photo section? I don't know. Okay. Choose that you just did. And it'll look just like how you made it before. Like that. Yeah. So then you're going to want to put some text on it. Oh my gosh. So they have banners, dynamic, I don't know what that is. There's meme and caption. So basically, just choose one of these. I like the square ones, or just the regular text. So put in your channel name, which will help you. So put in your channel name, and you won't see it at first, but it'll look like that. Okay, that looks ugly. Okay, we're redoing that. Good morning. Let's see how that is. We're deleting this. Okay. That already looks like it's gonna be good. Dash life. Okay. Okay, see, as I'm saying, my phone always glitches, so I think it's just my phone. But if it's not, then I'd recommend just deleting it and re-downloading it. Or one time I was glitching, but then it stopped a second later, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Then you want to add some GIFs or GIFs or whatever debate's going on. So then, how dare you? Okay, you just want to add whatever you want, whatever makes you you. But I'm just going to add random stuff and not stuff that I really like. Because then I'm going to want to make it my intro. Okay, so let's say unicorn. So I recommend doing a sticker because it gives like a whole like picture, and this is just like a little bit. Okay, so I like this. It's cute. You can say like galaxy stuff because it's already galaxy. I spelled that wrong. Themed. Okay, yeah, I spelled that wrong. Okay, so you're gonna potato. Why not? Just have a potato. Yes, this is life. Okay, and then it'll look a little something like this once you're done. So this is how it looked like. See, I told you it wouldn't glitch. Isn't that so cute? Okay, once you're done with editing everything you want, sticker, the text, you can sketch on it if you'd like. And you can resize it, blah, 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 transition. But we already have dissolve in like iMovie. It's basically like iMovie, but way better. Okay, then I want to add some music. So just add music. iTunes preview, oh my gosh. Okay, so then I want to add some music. Wow, I spelled that completely wrong. Classic, Zoe. Okay. So then you can just add whatever song you love. It'll download it. Oh my gosh. So it'll look like this. And then we're going to finish it. We're not going to look at it yet. We're not going to see all, unlock all the beauty. First, we're going to download it. And then we're going to put it, so it's posing it like, okay, we're going to put it on the camera roll. It's posing it like musicians do. And then once you're done with that, let's just watch it. Let's just watch it. Okay. It'll be in your camera, and we're just going to watch it. So, my friends, that is how you make a YouTube intro. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye!